please welcome Group Vice President and General Manager of Toyota Division, Bob Carter.
Ladies and gentlemen around the world, please welcome the reinvented 2012 Camry. It's ready. Are you? Wow, that's the most excitement we've ever had for an introduction of a new model. Now here with me are the sporty SC and the XLE Hybrid, both delivering style and performance. The first thing you'll notice about the new Camry, it's got a clean, sophisticated exterior. Now inside there's a new level of space and comfort and refinement for both drivers as well as passengers. Now Camry's efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine will meet the needs of most consumers. For the great fuel economy, the 178 horsepower engine is teamed up with a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and the best-in-class 35 miles per gallon highway. The new Camry Hybrid delivers 200 horsepower and, get this, 43 miles per gallon in the city. That's the best mileage of any midsize available today. And for a sense of security on the road, all new Camrys provide the best-in-class safety. Starts with our Star safety system, and then we add the best-in-class 10 airbags, plus the optional backup monitor, a blind spot monitor, Safety Connect, and then you end up with a list of safety features that are really unmatched in the class. Now, one of the key features for today's customers are looking for is information and entertainment. Toyota's answer is our exclusive Entune multimedia system, and Camry will be among the first to have it. In spite of all the new features and refinements that we've added, prices on all of our popular models will be lower than they are today. This story wouldn't be complete if I didn't mention our main plant where it's built. Let's go down to Kentucky to see how production is coming along on the new Camry. Joining us there is Jim Wiseman. Jim is our Group Vice President and Chief Communication Officer for Toyota North America.
And now for the very exciting part, we can see right now a new Camry is going to come off the production line right over here to my left. The new Camry 2012. And let's take a look and talk to the team member driving the car. Driver of the car was Akio Toyoda, president of Toyota Motor Corporation from Japan.
When I think about Toyota's commitment in America, I think about the Camry made here in Kentucky with more than 80% of the parts from American suppliers. We are proud of this car and the people behind it. We will continue to build great cars like Camry with an even greater dedication to quality, safety, and customer care. I promise you that all of us Toyota are determined to continue earning the trust and respect of American customers and American community. Thank you.